Capricornus is one of the constellations of the zodiac. Capricornus is one of the 88 constellations.
Capricornus is a faint constellation with only one star above magnitude.
The symbol is a goldfish, which is a mythological animal that unites the depth of the waters with the tops of the mountains.
Capricorn is one of the most stable, safe and calm signs of the zodiac. They are workers, responsible, practical, and willing to persist until they achieve their goal.
Leo is a constellation of the zodiac. Leo is between Cancer and Virgo. A constellation is a group of stars that are imaginary, typically representing an animal, a mythological person, or a creature.
This is a constellation Taurus.
It has 11 stars.
This is a sign zodiac Taurus,
to represent your head and the antler.
Aries is 5-6 constellation represent the house of a calf. Constellation represent the house of a calf. The second brightest star of Aries is Saturn.
Cygnus.
The Swan Cygnus is a constellation of the northern hemisphere.
It was one of the 48 constellations described by Claudius Ptolemy in his Almagest.
Sometimes it's known as the Cross of the North in reference to the Cross of the South, since their stars form a great cross.
They opened their wings on the Milky Way as if flying southward. Described by Greek astronomers, this constellation was known with the name of the bird. He was also designated as the Cross of St. Helena by the monarch Julius
Caesar in 1627, at the time of the counterform, seeking massive Christianization of the sky. The constellation of the South Cross is contemporary.
Hercules is another stellar system. Hercules is a constellation named after Hercules, the Roman mythological hero. Hercules was one of the 88 constellations listed by the 2nd century astronomer Ptolemy. The Hercules is one of the 88 modern constellations today. The Hercules it is the 5th largest of the modern constellations.
Aquarius, situated between Capricornus and Piscis. Its name is Latin for water carrier or cap carrier. History and mythology. In the 5th century, Ptolemy Almagest established the common Western depiction of Aquarius. His water has an Thebes itself consists of Gemma, Pi Eta and 2 Eta Aquarii. It pours water in stream of more than 20 stars, terminating with formal out now assigned solely to Piscis Asturis.
The constellations are a group of stars that you can see them uniting them with imaginary lines which form perfect identifiable figures in the night sky.
To date, the Union Astronomic International has recognized 89 constellations in the world constellation sphere.
It was discovered by the astronomer Petrus Plancius in 1613. It is invisible on the line of the equator within the Milky Way, within a winter triangle formed by 3 stars.
The figure of the unicorn has a magical horn that gives locality over
over the right shoulder of Honor Orion.
Ursa Major, also known as the Great Bear. Ursa Major is visible through the year from most of the northern hemisphere. Ursa Major occupies a large area covering. An astronomer is a scientist in the field of astronomy who focuses their studies on a specific question or field outside the scope of Earth. NASA is the home of astronomers.
Draco is very big constellation. It's near to the North with Hercules. Draco has got 15 stars for forming the constellation. That makes it easy to find. And its real name is Huge Serpent. Draco represents London, the dragon that guarded the Garden Wall.
It is the third sign of the zodiac. It is represented by the Discovery, Castor and Pollux. It belongs together with Libra and Aquarius. It is ruled by the planet Mercury. It's the opposite sign of Sagittarius. Catalogued for the first time by the Greek astronomer Ptolemy in the 2nd century. Represents two brothers who fought together to never separate. The twins are called Castor and Polydeuces.